All right, now I'm going to show you how to set up the exchange API keys, specifically for Bybit within the bot's configuration. So the bot can connect to the exchange and know exactly where to trade. By the way, just so you know, keep in mind that Bybit's demo and mainnet platforms have completely different API pages. All right, let's head over to the Bybit API settings and select the first option, which is the system generated key. First off, give your key a name. After that, it is absolutely essential to bind it to the IP address of the VPS server where your bot will be running. This is crucial for security, ensuring that the API cannot be used from any other IP address and stays active only on your specific server. In the next step, make sure to check the trade permissions, which allows the bot to actually execute trades. At the end of the process, the system will give you your API key and API secret. You'll need to paste the API key into the first field of the bot's control panel and the secret into the second. Once that's done, your bot is officially connected to your exchange. Next up, let's move on to setting up Telegram notifications so we can link the bot to your Telegram account. These setup steps have been simplified as much as possible for the initial configuration, and once it's done, you won't have to worry about it again. Telegram is really important because the bot will send all the details directly to your phone, things like open positions, closed trades, and your total profit. For this, we're going to need two things: a bot token and a chat ID. Go ahead and find at botfather on Telegram, type /start, then /newbot, and give it whatever name you like. After that, botfather will give you a token. We need to copy that token and use it to eventually get our chat ID. So now we have the token, but we still need to generate the chat ID using it. Actually, finding the chat ID takes a few specific steps. We're going to use the link that I've provided in the notepad file. You'll need to paste your token into this link and open it in your browser. Now, the ID might not show up right away, so first we need to delete the webhook from the browser link, just like I showed you in the notepad. Once you open that link and it confirms that the webhook was deleted, you can then move on to the second link, which is get updates. Again, make sure your token is pasted into this get updates link. Also, make sure to send a quick message, anything at all, to your newly created bot just to activate it. Now, refresh the browser page and you'll see a bunch of data, and right there, you'll find your chat ID. Those are the numbers we need to copy. Now we have both the ID and the token ready to be entered into the bot's config. Go back to the bot's configuration, enter the token and the chat ID into the corresponding fields, and hit save. From now on, the bot will automatically link to Telegram and send you detailed logs, like when an order is opened, at what price, the amount in dollars, and exactly how much profit was made. If you ever want to disable these notifications in the future, you can just enter zeros in these fields. And with that, our bot is now fully configured and ready for action.